So after purchasing the tinkRbox DIY kit, here I'll be showing you the steps for accessing the video tutorials. So for that you have to open the any of the browser, and in the after opening the browser you have to go to the search bar, and in the search bar you have to enter this website futurelearning.irobokid.com. So this is a website is here where you have to visit, and this same website link is given in the kit also. You can refer it, and then once you get this website open, then you have to go to login, and we are coming here for the first time, so we'll sign up. So by doing this sign up, I'll create an account with the name test. Email ID I'll enter test123@gmail.com. Password is mandatory. I'll enter the password for this. Mobile number, so this important steps. Date of birth you need to select. Select the valid date of birth. How did you hear about it? So select the mode from where you have purchased the kit. So I'll select others, and by checking this box you are agreeing to terms and condition, and then you have to click on create new account. Okay, it's giving me the warning. Fine. So once the account is created, then you can find it over here, the option of my courses. Just click on that my courses, and then we have to go to access code. Now here I have purchased the robotics kit. So for that, the robotics kit, the code is mentioned in the kit, and I'll be writing that code robotics over here. So once I enter the code which is given in the kit, okay, it's going to be it's going to be different code for different kits which you are purchasing. So whatever the code is mentioned in the kit, you have to enter that code over here in the access code, and once you write the code over here, and then you have to hit on submit, and within 3 seconds the course will be added in my account. So I've got the course over here, and then I can go to that course, and I can start learning and making all the projects.